Creating YouTube shorts that actually perform is harder than it looks. Most creators struggle to find content ideas that will grab viewers' attention and keep them watching. Here's how TubeBuddy's suggested shorts reveal which moments from your existing videos are already proven winners. Simply click the TubeBuddy drop-down menu and select Suggested Shorts. TubeBuddy instantly analyzes your entire video catalog, identifying moments where viewers' retention spiked dramatically. You'll see a list of your videos with specific timestamps showing exactly where audiences had high engagement. Each suggestion displays the retention percentage increase and duration of the spike. Click the play button to jump directly to that moment and see what captivated your viewers. For example, you might discover a 40% retention increase lasted 14 seconds when you mentioned a specific tip or something interesting happened. You could clip these moments directly into shorts, but here's what works better. Use them as inspiration to create brand new shorts around the same proven concept that already hooked your audience. Your long-form videos become a goldmine for short-form content ideas. You can create multiple shorts around proven concepts that you know your audience already responds to. Here's a real example. A video titled "YouTube Employee Reveals How to Grow Your YouTube Channel" showed a 62% retention increase at the 2-minute mark that lasted 14 seconds. When you click play on that moment, you see it's the section where Google Trends was mentioned as a way to find popular topics that draw in new audiences. Instead of just clipping the 14-second moment, you can create an entirely new short focused on using Google Trends for content ideas. Same proven concept, but designed specifically for the short format. You can also access video-specific suggestions by visiting any individual video page, clicking the TubeBuddy menu, and selecting Suggested Shorts to see moments unique to that video. Now, you have a supply of proven content ideas that you can turn into shorts and find success.